This is a video about repairing the runner on the top basket of a KDW60 series Kenwood dishwasher. This might be a common problem, I don't know, but on mine the wheel which goes on the runner fell off. So there was a little round plastic washer and the wheel itself. To remove the top runner from the remaining wheel, press the little tab on the plastic clip, release it and pull it away from the wheels. Then there's two screws under the top of the lid. Make sure you switch off the mains before you remove this. Just pull the lid backwards and set it to one side. Then there's several screws on the side. I'm guessing that both sides are the same, but I only had to take one side off for mine. We'll just look at where the screws are, particularly these two right at the bottom of the back. Then, as you remove the side, just be careful that it clips into the front plastic tray and take it away from there and remove the side. This is what you see when you get in. So lift up the insulation and then you'll see there's two screws. Those hold on those rollers. So whichever one you've got to take off, put a 10mm spanner on, undo the screw and then just rotate the housing until it pops out of the side of the machine. This is what was left when I took everything off. So I found a little screw, made sure that it was stainless steel by testing it with a magnet. It wasn't magnetic, so that should work. And what I did was I screwed the screw into the middle. Now I had to use a shorter screw to hold it into the side of the machine because there were now two screws, one coming in from the front and one from the back. This part is available online if you don't want to mend it yourself, and the link is in the description. To put it back together, it's just a case of reversing the procedure. I hope you managed to fix your machine.